a long taxi ride, and the first bumpy boat. We've got another bumpy boat, although this is a much bigger boat, so it's a little bit less panicky.
Only an hour and a quarter to Roatan. It's enjoying the nice weather before the storm.
Yeah, it's a big storm. Jan's birthday tomorrow, and there's a big storm coming in. So yeah, we're getting across whilst we still can. Alright, so we're arriving in Roatan, our home for the next 2.5 weeks. The little house sit that we got.
The guy from London got in a really quirky bar. Oh, he's the DJ. And yes, this is how the locals do Sunday afternoon. So we're with our Audrey and Dougie, who are house setting for, and they've brought us out to show us what's available. I think we might be quite liking this area.
Alright, it's our last full day in Roatan on our house sit. We just picked up Doug and Audrey from the airport. Jan's having her last few lengths in her pool, and yeah, gorgeous day here, as it has been most of the time here. And alright, so we had a great time in our house sit in Roatan, although this might be the last video or YouTube that we have, because our little GoPro has got waterlogged, and there's Groot. Say hello, Groot. No, it's got waterlogged, and there's no way back for it, I'm afraid. So we tried a different battery from Doug's, and it sort of came up a little bit, so it might work, and we'll give it a go off the phones, but the computer's not fast enough to cope with all the big files, so we might just have to go with polar steps from now on. So there we go, and if it is the last one, goodbye, and we'll see
Thanks
you.
for following us.
We'll see you back in the UK in a few
And as
months.
usual, Jan's eating.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.